got done with chest and triceps. I'm telling you, man, I'm starting to do more of the, you know, kind of like the FST7 workouts. You know what I mean? Like, not really focusing on how much weight I'm moving, but also reminding myself that you got to be careful. You have to know what you're doing. So therefore, I'm trying to figure out how we can focus on the stretch, like the stretch eccentric and decentric part of the workouts. You know what I mean? Stuff like that. That's what I'm trying to figure out, and it's really going good. Starting to really feel some growth and development. Really making sure I'm getting the stretch on the eccentric, and really making sure I get the mind to muscle connection, like how they like, you know, how Hani Rambod, you know, says, you know, I'm looking for a way so I can not just get bigger but get stronger. I want to get stronger necessarily without injuring myself, and I also just want to see some development. I'm also trying to eat my butt off, trying to eat food. But other than that, I don't really do anything else but that. And I try to follow a good regimen when it comes to, you know, you see, everybody's talking about, ooh, the winter bulk is about to hit. And I'm like, I've been on a bulk for years, guys. I've been on a bulk for years. So I don't even want to hear it. Like, at least you guys can cut weight. I can't do anything with weight. And see, here's the thing. My metabolism is a furnace to the point where I will absolutely, like, go broke eating food. That's the problem. So it's like I have to discipline myself. And at the exact same time, I feel like I'm cutting. But I'm not trying to cut. That's the thing. I'm not trying to cut, guys. I'm trying to bulk as much as I can. But yeah, I mean, did chest and triceps, literally. Oh my. Hello. There's a person's car that does not work, and I'm trying to get over. I really don't want to get hit. Funny, not funny, but funny. And I'm just like, I don't know how to help people when they're stranded in the middle of the road now. Because not only that, I'm sorry, they probably, and I don't know the person. I didn't stop to figure it out. But like, my thing is that they might be too old, you know, and they just need help. But I can't. I got things to do. But I'm kidding. If that person's not gone by the time I get back, you know, because I'm gonna edit this vlog for you guys, and then go and try to network a little bit as much as I can throughout the city, like where I'm at. So, but let me know. Drop y'all cities where y'all live, like just the city. Don't drop your addy. Don't do that. Don't do that. I don't want to know where you live, but I want to know like what city y'all are listening from. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed the content. Hope that you guys enjoyed the vlog as usual. So I hope that y'all have a great day. Hope that y'all stay blessed, stay safe, stay encouraged. Never give up hope, guys. Unity is key and the future looks bright. All right, guys. So, and also, if you guys haven't already, go see Daily Devotion Day 3. It was awesome. It was talking about our appetite for Jesus, or our appetite, you know. It was talking about our appetite for the Spirit, and so it's really, really good stuff. And I hope that you guys go and check it out. Links will be in the profile. Links will be in the description as well. So go check it out. I hope that you guys have a great day. God bless you guys. And again, if you guys haven't already, leave a like and comment on the video. And of course, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos and any new content. So go for it, you guys. Hit the bell notification, comment, subscribe, and share. That's what I'm going to try to start doing. Like, subscribe, and share. Because I want to have the interaction with y'all, but like I know that nobody really likes to comment. And if anything, it's probably not going to be positive. So I don't know. But that's just how social media is. That's how I know it is, and I'm prepared for that. So, especially for what I do, for what I talk about, it's exactly what I'm expecting. So, but anyways, you guys, I hope that you guys have a great day. God bless you guys. Peace.